I'm literally so blessed. Like, this place is beautiful, and I feel like sometimes I'm always looking to the future and not enjoying the present. Um, but yeah, this is my last time on these couches. Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Derek Lodge, or D-Lo for short. If you're new here, welcome. So if anyone knows me, you would know that I love making money. Yes, I know a lot of people love making money and earning money. I personally am trying to do it smarter, more efficiently, and a part of my journey being here in Los Angeles, it has taught me how to earn money many different ways. So this is just gonna be me sharing one of the ways that I earn money. So I already have a few videos on OfferUp and how I use OfferUp to earn money. I'll link them above. But yeah, this is one of my biggest like flips, or one of my biggest kind of transactions. Yeah, I actually got the couch. So a little history. I actually got the couch from my clients. They were like giving it away, and they were just gonna like throw it away, and I'm like, sure, yeah, like I'll take it, you know. They asked me if I would like it, and it just took my time and manpower like up front to bring the couch to my place and then store it. So in my opinion, this is a win-win situation. My clients got free junk removal, and then I was able to take it, store it, and then flip it for a profit. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. I had the couch for about a month, and then this is me preparing the couch, getting ready for the buyer to come take it the next morning. So as you can see, this couch is actually pretty cool. I'm pretty sure it's from Ikea, and it's one of those storage couches. It literally took me so long to get these pieces in. I had to rearrange the whole entire balcony, but we got it done. Right now I'm just doing some more spot cleanings, you know, trying to make the couch look a bit more presentable and not so dirty and grimy before the buyer takes it away. You know, you don't want them to change their mind right when they see all of the cobwebs and everything on the couch. So yeah, just making it look presentable and getting ready to be officially gone. So this is the balcony right now. I can move my bike off of the ledge. It actually freed up a ton of space and makes it look a lot less cluttered. This is the last day with the couch. I'm excited, they're here. They're about to grab this. The last day. I'm gonna hopefully record, but I might not be able to, but yeah. I'm gonna go grab them now. So I got rid of the couch halfway. I'm so happy. Like, if you know me, like I love earning money, making money, and just doing it easier, you know, not harder. So I'll probably talk about like how I got this couch, and like, you know, I love making money in the morning, like while I'm asleep, like before the day's over. But yeah, so the girl came, and like I told her how big the couch was and that it probably needs like a truck, but she came in like a small Subaru car. But she got half of the couch and she's gonna come back. That's her deal, but got the money and half of a couch. So yeah, just wanted to share and say there's a million ways to make money, to earn money, and yeah.